Greetings of the day, dear students. Today we will discuss about physical properties of metals and non-metals. Let's begin with first property. Physical state. Metals are usually solid at room temperature except mercury and gallium, which are liquid at room temperature. On the other hand, non-metals occur in all states, that is solid, liquid and gas. For example, carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and iodine are non-metals that are solid at room temperature. Bromine is a liquid while oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen etc. are gases. Next property, hardness. Metals are generally hard and strong. That is why iron metal in the form of steel is used in the construction of bridges, railway tracks, machines, etc. However, sodium and potassium are soft metals and can easily be cut with a knife. Non-metals are generally not so hard and strong. Diamond is an exception. It is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Now next property, malleability. The property by which metals can be beaten into thin sheets is called malleability. Metals are malleable and can be beaten into thin sheets. Gold and silver are the most malleable metals that can be made into foils much thinner than the paper. That is why they are used in making ornaments. Aluminium, copper, iron can also be converted into thin sheets. Aluminium foils are widely used in wrapping of foodstuffs, chocolates, etc. Non-metals are not malleable. They are brittle. They break into pieces when hammered. Now third property, ductility. The property of drawing a metal into thin wires is called ductility. Metals are ductile and can be drawn into thin wires. All metals do not have the same ductility. Silver and gold are highly ductile metals while zinc and tin are very less ductile. Copper and aluminium are also very ductile and their wires are used in the manufacture of electric cables and wires. Non-metals are non-ductile and cannot be drawn into wires. Now next property, conductors of heat. Metals are good conductors of heat except bismuth. For this reason, metals like aluminium, iron and copper are used for making utensils and water boilers. Silver is the best conductor of heat. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat. Diamond, a form of carbon, is the only non-metal that is good conductor of heat. Sixth, conductors of electricity. All metals are good conductors of electricity. Silver metal is the best conductor of electricity. Non-metals are poor conductors of electricity. However, graphite is an exception.